How to remove Shadowban on Reddit account. Let's get started. You can make an appeal to Reddit directly. For that, launch your preferred browser and navigate to the Spoon website. Submit a request support.reddithelp.com. Once you're in this page, click on three bars given at the top right. Navigate to the option Submit a request. Now choose Account Help. Now you'll need to fill out this form. Type in your email address that is linked with your account and make sure the email address is valid and active. Now here, click on this drop down and select Account Status. Select the option My account has been wrongly suspended. Now type in your Reddit username. Now here, select whether you are able to log into your account or not. Mention the subject of inquiry, that your account has been shadow banned, and here, explain in detail about the issue. Over here, you can upload the screenshots of your Reddit profile. Once you fill out this form, click on Submit. With that, Reddit support team will get back to you. You can have the conversation with Reddit support team and your account will be fixed. So this is how you can remove the shadow ban from Reddit account. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.